Hey, this is Debbie Happy Cohen here. You're listening to the podcast called Mine, and our new tagline is The Daily Meltdown. And I was just talking to a friend of mine about whose meltdowns I really want to hear. So there is such thing as love for humanity, right? And I do love humanity. I bring like a microphone into Walmart and like totally praise all the employees there. So I know how to like love humanity in that way. But do I really want to hear everybody's meltdowns? Most of humanity is like just so full of drama and trauma that is unprocessed. No, I don't. I do not want to hear everybody's dramas and traumas. Otherwise, I would have stayed on YouTube talking about CPTSD, complex PTSD. No. What I'm interested in is I want to hear people's meltdowns of people who are in the game. They want more joy. People who are members of Joy-Based Living, for example, by the very fact that they're a member, that you're a member of Joy-Based Living, that tells me that you're aiming for something bigger. And let me tell you something. When you do that, you start processing higher octane fuel, higher vibration emotions. And when you do that, you are asking for all the crap to hit the fan. And I want to know about it. And what I have found out over these years is that when I share my daily meltdowns with people who are JBL members, they get so excited because they don't feel so alone anymore. They're just like, oh my God, you too, me too, me too. And then they share theirs, but it's in a context. We're not on Fox News. We are people who we know that we're reaching for something better. We want to be whole. We want our relationships to be wonderful. We want to be living a higher purpose kind of existence. And so when we who are aiming for something more heartful and more beautiful in the world, for the whole world, are having meltdowns, baby, those are worthy meltdowns. So honestly, if you're somebody who's reaching for something more, I want to know about your meltdowns. Please write them in the comments. Now we have comments here in this podcast area at Spotify. I don't know where else this is being located, but I know at Spotify I can read your comments. Please write your meltdowns. What are some meltdowns that you're having as you're reaching for something stronger and better and more beautiful in your life? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you feel validated for every possible feeling that you have under existence because you're somebody who's following your heart. I want you to feel seen, heard, and loved. I believe in you. Thank you very much for listening.